Yeah, hi guys. My name is Tope Sholaja. I'm an actress and a movie producer. People call me Tope Sholaja Aruga Star Girl. I've been in the industry since 2007/8. I like amala gidi gan. Agaba mi fi ogbono si and fried rice. Well, anyway, mo máa ń gbádùn owó mi gidi gan. Number one, I don't really like going out. Kò ṣe pé mi ò mọ̀ side kò ṣe pé kò kí máa ń wù mí, but it's my nature. Mi ò kí máa ń jáde because I believe that ṣé mo fẹ́ mọtí ni mo lè mọtí mi nínú yàrá mi. Ṣé mo fẹ́ ṣe anything mo fẹ́ gbọ́ orin ni mo lè gbọ́ orin mi nínú yàrá mi kí n enjoy ara mi. Fine, ó máa ń wù mí láti jáde, but I don't know, it's my nature. So I love staying at home or being with my family because mi ò kí máa really need time pẹ̀lú àwọn family mi. So little time tí mo bá ní ni mo fi máa ń wà pẹ̀lú wọn. So get together, chat, anything, everything. Okay, mo ti gba script oríṣiríṣi. In fact, iṣẹ́ tèmi fúnra mi tó jẹ́ Aruga. I love Aruga. Iṣẹ́ tí mo tún love jù because at times àwọn tó jẹ́ pé mi ò lè pera mi ní upcoming mọ́ because I'm a producer and àwọn èèyàn tí ń pè mí níta mi ò kí ń lobby fún iṣẹ́ mọ́. I used to lobby for iṣẹ́ but not anymore. So iṣẹ́ tí mo mọ̀ pé mo bá àwọn tó jù mí lọ bí bọ̀dá Fẹ́mi Adébáyọ̀ àwọn tí mo mọ̀ pé tí bá wọn bẹ máa pé action pọ̀ bí ògògò ṣe mọ̀ wọ́n máa pé oh no ọjọ́ tí mo bá wọn ṣiṣẹ́ mo kàn ń fọ́ etí wọn ṣeré ẹ mọ̀ nǹkan tí iṣẹ́ yẹn sọ nìyẹn which is ọlọ́kọ mẹ́ta. I love ọlọ́kọ mẹ́ta so very much. In fact, mo love ọlọ́kọ mẹ́ta. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé mi ni producer ni bẹ́ẹ̀ mi kọ́ ni producer. But I love that job so very much. I have just two mentors. Bukky Wright, then Mercy Ayegbe. Mo love Bukky Wright because she's a fantastic actress. One more act. Mo ti bá wọn act rí and I was really impressed. Mo ti bá Mercy act náà rí so very much. Àìmọye ìgbà tí wọ́n kò máa bá wọn act. Mo kàn love wọn because she's wọ́n ní àwọn sauce yẹn nínú. So I like her and I love her acting. Likewise Bukky Wright. Àwọn méjì yẹn péré náà ni. Okay, advice mo ní fún fans mi ni pé I was nobody. Oh my God, I hustle really hard for myself. Mi ò kí n ṣọmọ olówó, but we are very okay. Ever since I was in 100 level, ni mo ti wà nínú movie industry. When I was in school, mo máa ń ṣe school more movie ni. In fact, I had an extra year in school then. Not for anything, not because mi ò mọ̀wé, mo mọ̀wé. At least mo mọ̀wé, but torí iṣẹ́ mi náà ni. Please never relent. Focus and have determination. I had determination then, and this is where I am today. My name is Tope Sholaja, Star Girl. Please, ẹ jọ̀ọ́. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí anybody fà yín padà. My lecturer wọ́n ti ní pé face square má ṣe lè má ṣe yẹn but still no mo pé primary kíní mi ní school mi but still no mi ò relent. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́. One day yan máa débi tó máa dé o. Wizkid tó yẹ pé òun ló inspired me then. Kò kí n ṣọmọ olówó kò ever sọ fún yín pé òun ọmọ olówó rí bí Davido. But still òun ni number one. Like number one. Òun ló inspired me and this is where I am today. Alhamdulillah. Thank you God.